Hey humans, today I'm showing you the perfect new plugin for After Effects. It's gonna help you finish your task faster than a finishing app. Okay, let's create some characters. Too cute for a monster, too Chewbacca, too hot.
Beep beep boop boo.
Nice.
Where is Caponator?
The plugin is called FlashBoards. Why? Because it's fast, one click and boom, you look productive.
Good job.
Made this whole video in FlashBoards. Download now.